All right, there's a lot to explain about Afro Spring. So just give me your time. We do this. Oh, yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Yes, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, prince and princess. Oh yes, welcome to our YouTube channel, and I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. And before, I want to shout out to all those ones who are watching us right now in the United States of America. I can see you guys. Thank you so much. And we have those ones in Kenya, Nairobi. Asante sana. And okay, let's I will conclude after. Let's see how we can do the Afro Spring. I told you I have a lot to explain about this hairstyle because it is very nice. I uploaded a video showing you how we can do it, and I think everyone who was following I can see like we still use the same steps, starting with the cornrows, then doing the twisting, then after we do the cutting. And today I want to show you, and I want to talk about this Afro Spring, like to those people with weak hairline, and those people, still those ones with weak hair. This hairstyle is very protective for you, just because it stays on one position. Yeah, there's no any way you're going to be pulling it, styling it, like it won't disturb you a lot. It will be on one position, so that means your hair is going to be protected by that the whole time you're with this Afro Spring. And by the time you're going to unplait it, at least you will have those ones with broken hairline. You will have been, like, you will be getting your hair back, and those ones with weak hair still to protect your hair. So these good things about Afro Spring is just because I saw some people, they were trying to when it gets old, like in front, because this hair can last even for 4 months if you know how to play around it. It can last for 4 months. So there are those people who I see after, when the front gets old, so they just get others use the gel, and others get these ribbons, and they put the ribbon yeah, with different colors. So I also like that style, and I think I will show you those ribbons, how you can also still play around them with those different colors when you have the Afro Spring. So I'm not talking about all these steps, it's just because we have been seeing them and we all know how to do it. So if it's your first time, let me try to explain to you. Like, after doing the puff cornrow, as you saw, then we do the twisting, and you make sure you pack it very well. So after packing it, like saying there's no space in those corners, yeah, because while we pack it, we prevent what if someone sleep, it doesn't lose the shape. So that's why we always pack it. And that's after doing that, it's when you see me doing these pins. Yes, I'm trying to pin. So actually, something that you should know here, these pins, they can't last for those months. So at times you might ask your client, because there's those people who will be like, for me I would want like after I can put the pins on one side, then even the other side I leave, because we put the pins on both sides. So it depends, it depends on your client. If your client if your client is good and taking care of this hair, yes, you can just pin and you leave the other side. Or you just pin and you leave them. But for me, to those people I see like they don't have time for hair at all, I do the pinnings just for like a sketch to see where I'm going to cut it from, and then after I sew the it. So sewing just prevents it from then even if I can remove the pin, so that's why I do it that way. And washing is also somehow different. Yes, when you're doing the afro spring, let's say it has been like a month and then you feel you want to wash. I told you, whenever you're washing crotchets, I think I have to do a video showing you how you can wash the crotchets, because most times people do it badly. Yes, but when you're doing that, when you're washing the crotchets, you just have to wash the lines, you understand? Like you make sure like you use your hands in those lines of cornrows, not like rubbing. I don't know how to explain it, but yes, just pray for me. I will get a video to show you how you can wash the crotchets. Yes, so you should try to remind me about that. So when we're done with that, when you're trying to shape, please don't shape. At times people shape according to that art you feel in your head, like that shape you would want someone to look, yeah, after saying what, like, because before shaping you first see you see someone in the mirror, then you tell what shape can be nice on her, then you start cutting according to the shape you want. And another thing, there are those people who still want it that big, they don't want to cut it. They want yes, it also looks nice, though it will need a lot of care. Yes, yeah, you have to be at least moisturizing it every morning. You mix water with oil. Yes, that's, you just, any oil can do it better as long as it's mixed. So you keep on twisting it that way. And I told you I always work with my students here, and I think I will show you one of my students, like how they do learn. Remember, we are in the quarantine and we're doing all this at home, and that's why I try all my best to be giving you more tutorials so that we get to learn yeah, all these kinds of hairstyle. And please, if you have any question that you would want to ask, just go on my comment section, write something, and I'll be there to answer you. So that's how we can keep on doing the afro spring. It is very simple. It is very simple, as long as you know what you're going to do. That's all I can say. So I remain by the name of Maurice, the crochet master. And please guys, thank you, I really appreciate those ones who are subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, yes, I don't know what you're waiting for, but just tap on that red button, ring the bell. Trust me, every time I upload everything, you'll be watching them. I sign out, see you tomorrow, and trust me, you're going to like what I'm coming with. I love you so much. Stay blessed, stay safe.